Black Friday and Cyber Monday are an awesome opportunity for you to double or even triple your normal monthly revenues. If that's something you're interested in, then the good news is it's totally possible, but the bad news is you need to get prepped in order to do this. You can't just make a game plan on the day of and expect it to work out. You have to have a plan going into the holiday season, especially Black Friday, so that you can stand out from the crowd and really make your mark so that you can have one of your best revenue months ever. The first thing you need to do is plan when your Black Friday sale will run through. Most sales start on the evening of Thanksgiving or the morning of Black Friday. This is in the normal tradition of American retail on that holiday. Either one is the right time for you to start if you know that you'll be able to show up fully and maybe jump into some chat with customers, engage them on Instagram. Whatever is the best time for you to just show up and announce that your sale is live is the best time for you to start your sale. So I have a B2B shop. That means that I work with people who are starting their own businesses. If you're B2C, you might have a little bit more play, but we always want to make sure that we hit the work from home crowd who is working from home all the time, presumptively. And then we also want to make sure that we hit the office crowd, because as people have returned to offices, they have also returned to a rhythm of Monday through Friday, 9 to 5 life. That means that people are going to be checking their emails sometimes on the weekends, and a different crowd is going to be checking their emails on the weekdays. That means that you should have a Black Friday sale that accounts to hit people on the weekends and weekdays for this reason. The second thing you're going to need to know before you start your Black Friday sale is how much of a discount you are going to offer. Usually you offer some sort of larger discount here, and the key really is making sure that it is a big enough, sexy enough discount to get your buyers and your followers interested in making a purchase during this noisy time, and that it's enough to make it worth their while as they're considering you among many other options as to where to spend their money this holiday season. Another important thing to consider as far as the discount goes is it needs to feel like a Black Friday sale. So it can't just be a measly 10 or 15% off. That's not going to be enough to cut it when everybody else is offering some sort of huge doorbuster or 40% off or even higher discount. One last little note about discounts: it's a really good idea to make sure that it's a very uncomplicated discount available to them. You don't want to have a lot of different coupon codes and category sales, which means that, some things are this much off, but other things are, even more off. We want to make sure that everything is just a really straightforward, easy discount, whether that's with a code or automatically applied. And again, going back to that first point, making sure that our audience knows that this discount only lasts for a very limited time and they know when that discount is running out so they can make a purchase and you can enjoy that rush period of people making all those purchases during that weekend. Finally, the most important thing that you can do before your site goes live for Black Friday is make sure that all the checkout pages, all the links, everything that needs to make should be working properly and functioning well. That means your site load times need to be decently quick. It means that any links that people click on need to actually go somewhere. It can't land on a 404 page. And it means that if someone adds something to their cart, they're able to quickly and easily check out because there's probably a lot of other places that they're headed to online or in person on Black Friday. Black Friday is a really big deal, especially if you make the most of it. I'm really excited to see what promotions you guys come up with this year. And if you have any questions about Black Friday, we are going to be covering this pretty extensively here on my channel, and make sure that you're dropping those questions in the comments below. I will see you next week where we'll continue to talk about how to get prepped for Black Friday. Have a great week, everyone.